Hello, homebrewers. Thought I'd do a quick update on where I am on my Kegerator assembly that is been delayed a few times through nobody's fault but my own, but getting close. I have the first beer that's going to go into this Kegerator almost ready, so that was a good push to get the thing done. So I ran the beer lines and all that and got the taps installed a few weeks ago. I will put a link to the blog post all about that in the description of this video. And apologies for the mess I need to clean up now that I have all this stuff going. But anyway, the last step was to put the gas line in place. So you can see I got a couple of CO2 canisters down here. I didn't use the mount on the back of the Komos Kegerator just because it would stick out way too far for my space. So I just decided to set it to the side, and that was part of the delay on this. Is that bottom shelf on that shelving unit had to come out because the height of the CO2 tanks was too tall to go on the shelf. So a little bit of a, well, I was going to cut some things and move one of the shelves up, but it turned out the doing that would be pretty involved. So I just took the bottom shelf off for now. We may refine that later. And then everything is duo-tight, which is very handy. So that's a Komos regulator, duo-tight coming out of there. You do have to, with that regulator, you just remove a little barb so that you can use the duo-tight fitting that screws on one side and it's duo-tight on the other. And I just got a couple of 5 pound canisters. May get a bigger one later, but that seems, it'll probably be fine for me for quite a while. And then that gas line runs up behind the Kegerator over here. Apologies if you're getting dizzy. And I got one of those carbonation caps that covers the port that goes in the back of this Kegerator. Because that gives you a nice quick disconnect for the CO2 tanks. So that was a pretty handy add-on, I thought. And again, duo-tight there. This Kegerator does have 2 ports, so I can do something like, nitro for stout or something later. And then inside, the gas lines, one line comes in back there through the port. And you just get a duo-tight reducer to go on the carbonation cap that gives you the 8mm diameter, outer diameter fitting on the other side. And then basically it's a lot of splitting. One line coming in that goes to the splitter, and then I did get shut-off valves for each line as well. Goes to a splitter, one split goes to the keg, another split goes to another splitter. That split I have running up to the front here for a keg I don't have in there yet. And then the other side of it goes to a third splitter, and then that final splitter goes to the last 2 kegs. One in the back there that I hooked up just to get some links correct, and then the other one comes up towards the front. So I think I am almost ready to put some beer in there. I just need to clean and sanitize the kegs and get this thing chilled down. I will keep you posted and do a video of the first pour off this thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.